Welcome back. I'm Allison, and today we're here again with Cosmo Tires. Today we'll be speaking with Rick Wheeler, who is the Senior Vice President of National Sales at Tire Group International and Cosmo Tires. Rick, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Allison. And hey, thanks for having me on today. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for joining us. Rick, tell us a little bit about how you help your dealers position the Cosmo brand in the marketplace.
That's a great question, Allison. And quite frankly, most manufacturers in our space are about one thing: selling. Sell, sell, sell. And honestly, at Cosmo, we want to sell too. But more importantly, we want to gain market share by growing our brand through great partnerships we develop with customers who honestly are maybe like minded, family owned, been in business quite a while, like we have. And we partner together to drive that brand. They know that we're going to be loyal. We know they're going to be loyal. And as we do this, we develop a brand together rather just than selling at tire price. So our efforts, when we go out to the marketplace, it's really about partnering up, not just selling a product.
Now, Rick, correct me if I'm wrong, but from what I understand, as part of supporting your distributors and retailers, you employ geofencing online?
Yeah, Allison, actually, we do employ geofencing. I think the technology is wonderful. It actually helps us drive customers to a specific retailer. In essence, we do employ a fence around their location. So when we set it up, when a customer looks for tires, say on their whatever device, we know that that customer's name is going to pop up, and it's going to hopefully drive them through there. Last month, or last quarter rather, we had over 300,000 end users get the message about Cosmo tires and where to go get them through this technology. And that's across 3 million different websites. And it's something that back in the day, you couldn't do with local plain old advertising. So it's very target specific, seems to work very well. And the feedback from our partners has been fantastic.
Now, Rick, I've heard something about your Cool Cat Assets website for your distributors and retailers. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
You bet. Our Cool Cat Assets link is a great thing that we just have added for our dealers. They have a password to get on it. It is a myriad of stuff available for them, ranging from logos, accepted colors for our Cosmo branding, sample TV, sample radio ads, everything to help a dealer advertise online, if you will, retail program guides, more social media information available. And then also they have access with descriptions of all our point of sale merchandise where they can get online, order up stuff. A lot of it is free, which is good for the customers. Finally, there's a great spot on the Cool Cat Assets page called our Cool Cat Test. After you've learned all about our products, you can go online, click on the link, take a fun test, and when you pass, at the end of that, we're going to send you a swag bag with over $100 worth of material, products, point of purchase stuff, just for passing the test and becoming part of the Cosmo family.
Dang, well, you're gonna have to set me up with this link because I need some Cool Cat swag and I want to pass the Cool Cat test.
Absolutely.
That is awesome. Thanks so much for sharing. Now, I hear you have a retail partnership program. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, we do. Thank you for that. I wanted to speak about that today. With our retail partnership program, Cosmo, we have the ability to go in and completely revamp a retail store operation, rebrand it, add some Cosmo touches here and there, and help the store look great. First of all, that's going to draw attention to the Cosmo brand. We also come in with our local teams. We will train, help them understand how to sell our Cosmo products, and also how the Cosmo products are going to work with the local, their local market. Along with that, on the backside of the house, so to speak, when someone joins up on our retail partnership program, they're able to buy Cosmo products at a deal, a little bit of a break on price, preferential delivery services from local warehouses, and customer pickup if needed. But more importantly, the program is designed to help our customers understand how much we are there to partner with them to help drive the product. We don't want to be someone who just drops off a tire and says, good luck selling it. We want to help them understand exactly what we can do to help sell the tire for them and sell lots of tires through their channel. Hey, and finally, along with our retail partnership program, we're able to move those people that are participants up the ladder, if you will, on the geofencing we offer. This is a program where we digitally identify the locations and they're able to push traffic through their stores and driving Cosmo Tire sales, but more importantly, helping them drive their own store traffic. And it's a great partner program.
Now, from what I've heard, your warranty and road hazard program is anything but the norm. What inspired you to do this in a different way than most?
You know, Allison, that is such a great statement. Our warranty suite is really designed with the customer in mind. And when I say that, we want the warranty situation to be something that's painless, hassle-free, easy to administer, really something that customers, if they have to go through it. And secondly, our tires are really good tires. We don't have that many warranty situations, but if something happens, we want to make sure that going through that process is that folks will tell their friends about it. They'll say, God, I had a problem with the Cosmo tire, minor thing, they took care of it right off the bat, seamless, everything like that. We don't want to have a process that makes our customers jump through hoops, document every mile they drove, anything like that. We want our customers to be happy. So that's honestly why we call it our no hassle Cool Cat warranty. Really, there is no hassle when you call in. And again, when Joaquin gets the word that there's an issue, it's going to get resolved. I guarantee it.
That is awesome. That sounds like a great way to keep care of your customers. So thank you so much for sharing that with us. And I guess that's why they call it the Cool Cat Hassle-Free Warranty. Thank you all for joining us today here with Rick Wheeler, the Senior Vice President of National Sales with Cosmo Tires. And we'll catch you next time.